In this video, we will learn about the general characteristics of gases. So all gases, irrespective of their physical properties or chemical behavior, they are characterized by some general characteristics. The first is gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. They assume the shape and volume of the container in which they are kept, means they are not having any fixed shape or any fixed volume, because the particles are far away from each other and they are randomly moving in all the directions. Next is gases are highly compressible. So we can compress the gases because there are large interparticle spaces between the particles. Gases exist pressure equally on the sides of their container. Gases have much lower densities than solids and liquids because the particles are away from each other, and gases mix evenly and equally with each other without mechanical aid. This property is called diffusion, means gases can diffuse. So now we learn about the measurable property of gases. So the physical condition or state of gas can be defined by some variables. The first is mass. So mass of a gas can be easily measured or determined by weighing the vessel containing the gas followed by weighing the empty vessel, and the difference in the two will be giving us the mass of the gas. And we know that the masses are determined accurately by an analytical balance or a single pan electrical balance. SI unit of mass is kilogram, but in laboratory sometimes very small substances are involved, so they can be expressed in grams also, and we know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. And the amount of gas is usually expressed in number of moles, where 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, which is known as Avogadro's number, and this is a fixed value. And 1 mole is equal to the molecular mass expressed in grams. So if we have to calculate the number of moles, so the formula would be mass in grams divided by molecular mass in grams. Second variable that can be used to express the property of gas is volume. So we know that the gases assume the shape and volume of the containing vessel. The measurement of the volume of gas simply requires the measurement of the volume of container in which the gas is kept. So the SI unit of volume will be meter cube, but this is a large unit. Commonly used units are centimeter cube and decimeter cube, but sometimes liter and milliliter are also used. So here we can see that 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 3 decimeter cube, which is equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Also 1 liter is 1 decimeter cube, and 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 3 liters, and 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube. Now let us talk about pressure. So we know that the earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air, which is called the atmosphere. So the pressure exerted by the air on the surface of earth is called atmospheric pressure, and atmospheric pressure is measured by an instrument which is called barometer. So the pressure exerted by the gas is measured by an instrument called manometer. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. So what is pressure? It is defined as the pressure exerted by a force of 1 Newton per meter square area. So 1 Pascal would be equal to 1 Newton per meter square, and we can represent it in 1 kg per meter per second square. Normally, pressure is also expressed in atmosphere, which is atmospheric pressure, and 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeter of mercury. Another unit is 1 torr. 1 torr is 1 millimeter of mercury, and the unit of pressure now commonly used is bar. 1 bar is 0.0987 atmosphere. Now fourth one is temperature. So temperature is the property that determines the direction of flow of heat, and we know that heat always flows from a hotter body to a colder body. So temperature may be defined as the degree of hotness. Measurement of temperature is based upon the fact that substances expand on heating. So expansion of mercury is commonly used for the measurement of temperature, and the common device used for measuring temperature is thermometer. And we know that there are many scales which are used to measure temperature. The most common scale used is Celsius scale, which is also called centigrade. So on Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And then the scale is divided into 100 equal parts. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.